Severe thunderstorm watch. See if they tone it. Literally, like, just issued.
With lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. The wind 60%. Heat index down
382, why aren't you on?
Saturday. Likely with a highs around 90. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. The west coast up to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. The wind 70%.
This whole power strip. Oh, it got kicked off. I think. When the vector fell. Here's the switch. Scanner? Yep, power strip's off. Here's the switch. Extended forecast for the W1070 listening area. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. And flowing. Huntington reports heat and 92 degrees with a heat index of 103. Athens, Ohio reports 91 degrees with a heat index of 100. At Beckley, mostly sunny and 85 degrees. At Logan, fair and 90 degrees with a heat index of 98. At Elkins, sunny, 88 degrees. In Morgantown, I'll pop on
mostly sunny and 91 the heat index 96. At Parkersburg, thunder, 82. At Lewisburg, mostly sunny, 86. And at Clarksburg, mostly sunny, 88 degrees.
No computer.
Here is the forecast for the greater Charleston
USB.
area, issued at 1:37 p.m. West of today, mostly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the lower 90s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Heat index values up to 108. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with lows in the lower 70s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Heat index values up to 100 for early until midnight. It's Saturday, mostly sunny with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the morning, then showers likely in the afternoon. Hot with highs in the lower 90s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour, becoming west in the afternoon. Chance of rain 70%. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 557, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in West Virginia: Boone, Cabell, Clay, Fayette, Jackson, Connaught, Lincoln, Mason, Nicholas, Putnam, Raleigh, and Roane. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
That should be going on if I get a live stream.
Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Huh, it didn't. Oh, you know what it does? I got watches on delay.
Here is the forecast for the greater Charleston area, issued at 1:37 p.m. West of today, mostly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Hot. Near steady temperature in the lower 90s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Heat index values up to 108 with severe thunderstorm. Partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in daylight time. The National Weather Service has severe thunderstorms. 57, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in West Virginia: Boone, Cabell, Clay, Fayette, Jackson, Connaught, Lincoln, Mason,
Nicholas, Putnam, Raleigh, and Rome. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Humid will blows in the upper 60s. Winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Here is the forecast for Raleigh and Nicholas at 1:37 p.m. Rest of today, mostly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Hot. Near steady temperature.
Boom! Shakalaka! Where did I put my phone? Oh, there it is.
Click the top video button. Double tap to activate.
Severe thunderstorm watch for us. Granny? Granny?
Sorry.
Granny?
What?
Oh,
I was trying to make it sister.
severe thunderstorm watch for us.
Right?
Yes.
Chuck.
Hi, I'm Katie. I live in Flagstaff, Arizona. I'm an older
We got off-roader vehicle. We got an off-road vehicle. Get out.